There's a new member of PROFORM's Super Street roller rocker family, and they're sure to turn heads and unleash the horsepower. The LS pedestal mount Super Street roller rockers for your Gen 3 or Gen 4 LS V8 engines have the same race-proven quality of the Super Street line. They have superior strength, precision ground, full cage, friction-reducing needle bearings, an internal oiling system, full roller tips, and quality steel alloy screws come loaded with the 1.7 ratio arms. These arms are made with 6061 T6 aluminum extrusions and machined with pinpoint precision for ratio accuracy and consistency. The open spring rate is far from modest at 750 pounds. In the box, you will find a 16-piece set of roller rockers, mounting bolts, and pedestals. To help save you time and hassle, the set comes partially assembled with heavy-duty trunnion kits. They are tough, but they also look great. They have a deep blue finish, and they are engraved with ratio number and application. These engravings highlight the attention to detail that PROFORM products have been providing enthusiasts for years. The Gen 3 and 4 LS engine roller rockers were created to use on the street, strip, or circle track, and they will help unleash the horsepower. If you're interested in the PROFORM LS pedestal mount Super Street roller rockers for your Gen 3 or 4 LS V8 engines, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new product videos, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.